I don't know if it's just me, but I'm really digging the bag, the included bag where you put everything. It comes as a complete solution with USB-C cables, lavalier microphones, TRS cables and TRRS cables, which opens up the door for you to be able to use a Comica BoomX-U with SLRs, camcorders, and of course, smartphones. It also includes an XLR adapter for you to be able to use interviewing microphones and things like that. So that's why I think this microphone system covers a bunch of different verticals, not only the interviewing, content creators, or just simply vlogging, but also a little bit more of the professional verticals like broadcasting, interviews, news broadcasters, and things like that.